classic Thai farm cooking school. And after a quick drive, we are now at the market and have some free time. So I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick before we head out to the farm. Maybe another time. So I got pineapple, a weird looking apple, and like half of a papaya for 80 baht, so like $2. Awesome. So I ended up getting all of this for, it turns out to $2.37. We'll try to eat real quick before we're ready to catch the shuttle to the farm. This is one of the apples. It kind of tastes like a less sweet apple cross between like an apple and a jicama. Really good, really fresh. And a whole bag of them for 30 baht is insane. It's a good breakfast. All right, now off to school. Let's go. This is the farm. Beautiful.
Only one special curry paste is cow soy. Cow soy mix galangal and ginger together. But another curry paste only galangal. We don't use just for flavor. And next one, please find your pepper lime leaf. Pepper lime leaf. Pepper lime leaf don't need to cut. You just tear side by side. We tear to make the flavor and remove the flavor. You can leave the stem on the table, but the leaf you crack with it to make flavor and
Feels like I cheated because I've made lumpia many times and the theory is the same, so they turned out pretty good. Now we just have to fry them. Our instructor was so cute. She was like, "Here, let me show you how to cut it so that it looks cute and you can charge more." She's hilarious. Okay, we are only 2 dishes in. Well, 2.5 because she made us papaya salad, which was so good. Oh my gosh, that's a huge jackfruit. And I am already full. I don't know how I'm gonna do 3 more dishes. This is a beautiful place. This was highly recommended Thai farms cooking school, so great recommendation. Time to go out for some more.
The trick is to clean your hand, your feet. It's good for cleaning and the grease.
Crazy to think that all that work and all those ingredients went to this little bitty mash that smells really good. It was really difficult to count out the curry paste, and our instructor was saying that you're not allowed to make curry paste if you live in an apartment, so that's why they have to buy it in the shops, which I thought was pretty funny. So, about to make some cow soy. Successfully made a stir fry. I wanted to video it, but it went so fast. It was done in less than 2 minutes. Time to eat. We have a little bit of a break before dessert. You'll no doubt in your mind that it's going to be mango sticky rice. But wanted to share a few of the fun things that I learned. This is one of the rice patties that they are prepping. It's not yet ready to transplant the sticky rice or glutinous rice, but they were saying that these are all pineapple plants. I thought they were aloe vera at first because they're really spiny, but our instructor said that they use pineapple plants around the rice patties to help keep away like vermin because it's sticky. Or because it's pokey, they won't try to get through. So I thought that was pretty fun. Here is where they like start the rice, like the seedlings, which I thought was pretty cool. So another fun fact, they grow their own rice and they lay it out to dry before they take it to be processed, so they separate the chaff, whatever, before they pull the grains of rice out. I also learned that there are multiple types of basil that they're used primarily in Thai cooking. Like you have regular basil, you have Thai basil, then you have another one called oli basil. Not only, but like oli, not oily, oli. Kind of cool. Yeah, I was introduced to a lot of vegetables that I've seen in the Asian grocery stores back home, but I've never really tried them because I didn't know what they were or how to use them. That was really fun. One of my favorites were the long beans. Those are pretty cool. Those are purple. Love them. All right, it's about time to do the mango sticky rice. I am so full. We made a total of 5 dishes. She made us a papaya salad. It was a little bit different than the one I was used to from Mary's, but still absolutely delicious and something I definitely want to learn how to make proficiently. And we are all fully stuffed and are going to be heading back into town. I don't know if I can eat dinner. That's a lie. I probably will because there is a Chinese New Year street mart happening the next couple nights across the street from my hostel. But, oh, time for a food coma. We'll see you in the next adventure.